Hello guys, today I will be introducing to you the best RJ45 Crimper, to use it to fix cable issues for the network, technical, and household work. Crimpers are one of the main components of people who indulge in hardware work, but that does not limit its use. They are very helpful in household chores also, apart from technical and manufacturing usage. They are super useful and very popular now. Moreover, RJ45 crimpers are readily available in the market, of various brands and kinds. One needs to be sure of which one to choose, for their requirement. Today, we shall discuss different types of the best RJ45 crimper. Let us check out the best 5 available in the market. I am starting from the last in the list, and the product is the Platinum Tools Easy RJ45 Crimper. Its crimp and trims extended wire is designed to connect with easy RJ45 in a single cycle. Its straight action crimping motion is compatible with consistent termination. Its high quality tool has a built-in wire cutter and stripper for silver satin of steel frame and rust resistant. The fourth product is the Platinum Tools Clamshell Crimper. Its built-in cutter and stripper have a zero flex frame that prevents loss of torque during the cycle. Its tool steel dies head gives 360-degree connecting support, and comes with a clean and flush trim on easy RJ45 conductors. It also ratcheted up high leverage and stable function. The third product is the Klein Tools RJ45 Crimper. Its crimping dies with precision ground come high carbon steel, and is easy to cut, strip, and crimp the twisted pair for the Ethernet, voice, data cables of RJ45. Its yellow and black grips help enhance visibility, comfort and even allow quick identification, with 8 positions. The second product is the TRENDnet RJ45 Crimper. Apart from functioning for 8P RJ45 to RJ11, its built-in cutter and stripper come in a compact size, and easy to handle. It comes with affordable solutions for quick and immediate cutting needs. It is user-friendly, and works with all telephone cable and Ethernet modems. The final product is the UbiGear RJ45 Crimper. This crimping tool comes with a tester for cables varying from RJ45, 11, and 12 connectors, including battery. Apart from having LED lights flashing in rotation, indicating all the wires are connected irrespective of the color, it has a 1-year warranty with a free wire stripper. After a lot of research, my choice is the UbiGear RJ45 Crimper. It comes with a crimper and a tester to ensure cables are connected and crimped correctly. I have attached the product links in the description box below. Please like and share the video if you find it informative. Please subscribe to our channel to get more videos from us. Thank you.